Yo, what's up? It's just a video. It's my PS3. I don't know if they can't see it, but anyways, PS3 main menu, and I got surround sound. Well, not like I had it recently. I had it for a long while, but I just finally found out how to like equalize all the bass and shit. Some in the back there also. So I'll show you the power of the bass on the song.
I'm a young man in millionaire, top of the Nigerian air, my track. All the shit of the tablet in my mind, cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time for my daughter for the motherfucker, copper, got the Maserati dancing on the bridge, pussy poppin'
Alright, thank you very much for watching.